everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to create a new account for BingX. In order to create a new account or get started up with BingX, download the BingX application on your device and launch it open. In the welcome screen, tap on the sign up button to start creating a new account. Now, you can choose whether you want to sign in with your phone number or email. If you've chosen email, enter an email address. Similarly, if you've chosen phone number, select your country code and enter a phone number. I'm going to choose the email option and type it down in the text box. After typing down an email, go to the password field and create a new password for your account, which is at least 8 to 30 characters long and which contains a number and a letter. After typing down an email and creating a password, if you've got a referral code with you, tap the referral code drop-down and enter your referral code in the text box. Finally, tap on sign up and on the next page, enter your security code that you received, either via SMS or your email inbox. And then, on the next page, it'll ask you if you want to enable passkeys for your security of your account. To do so, tap on enable and follow through the instructions. If you don't want to do it right now, tap on later. Now you will be able to see that you are in the home page of BingX. The next thing you want to do is complete the verification process for higher limits and security. Tap the Verify Now button under Complete KYC before trading and follow through the instructions. After you do that, you can then go ahead and deposit funds onto your account and start trading with the app. So that is how you easily sign up for your BingX account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.